Start.
Okay, good morning students. Once again, in the last class we learned about the laws of exponents. Now let us move to the next topic, exponentials and logarithms. Generally see 2 power of x is equals to 5. What is the meaning of this? Means by raising the base 2 to the how much you will get the value as 5. 2 is multiplied how many times to get 5? That is x. We can find out this x. For this we need to establish a new relation between x and 5. What is raised here? 2 is raised. How many times? To get 5. The x and 5 in between, if you introduce a relation that is called as logarithm, it can be understood by drawing the graph of y is equals to 2 power x. For this 2 power x, let us draw the graph. To draw the graph, we need x values and y values. X values we have taken generally integers from -3 to +3. If you substitute these x values in this 2 power x, we will get y value. That is 2 power of x, 2 power of -3. 2 power of -3 means 1 by 2 cube. 2 power of -3 is 1 by 2 cube. This is 1 by 8. Similarly, 1 by 2 square, 1 by 4. 1 by 2, 2 power of 0, any number power 0, 1, 2 power 1, 2, 2 square, 2 into 2, 4, similarly all these x and y values we need to plot on the graph paper and join them to get the graph of y is equals to 2 power of x. Let us move to the graph. On the graph we need to take x axis and y axis. Here I took, on x axis 1 centimeter I took 1 unit. X axis 1 centimeter 1 unit. On y axis also I took 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. Now let us plot the points. -3, at -3, what is the value of y? 1 by 8. At -3 x value, y value is 1 by 8 means 0.125. At -2, 0.25. At -1, 0.5. At 0, value is 1. At 1, value is 2. At 2, value is 4. At 3, value is 8. Now, what is the value to be found here? We need to find out the value of 5. That's why from y-axis point 5, we need to draw a horizontal line to the graph which meets the graph at Q. Again from Q we need to draw a perpendicular to x-axis. Now it is meeting at x-axis at one value. This is lying between 2 and 3. If you observe 2 square 4, 2 cube 8. We need to find out the value of 5. Generally 5 lies in between 4 and 8. That means x value will be in between 2, 3. Now we got x value. It is in between 2, 3. If you measure the length of OR, that will be the value of x, that is 2 point something. 2 point something. Now this is the value of x. Similarly we can find any value of x. That x is nothing but logarithm of 5. Here new relation established, that is logarithm. To find out the value of x, logarithm of 5. What was the base here? 2 will be written here. X is equals to logarithm of 5 to the base 2. Similarly, we can find out any value to the base 2. This is called logarithms. In the next class, let us learn more.